Hi, I'm Attila Kiss, Product Manager of Pinch Valves and Isolation Valves here at Clippard Instruments. Today we're going to talk about how and when to replace the tubing in our standard normally closed pinch valve. Most of our pinch valves come pre-installed with 1 foot of tubing. The tubing is rated to 1 million cycles. Our solenoid valves are rated for several million cycles. It is easy and simple to change the tubing in the normally closed pinch valves, but you do have to follow certain steps. This is a standard 24-volt valve. Step 1, the valve is not energized. You would energize it at full rated voltage. The valve turns on. You remove the tubing. Move the tubing to a different spot. Reinsert the tubing, taking care not to stretch the tubing as that will deform the tubing. De-energize the valve and cycle a few times to ensure that the valve works correctly. Those are the easy, simple steps that you need to take to replace the tubing in the pinch valve. If you have any special needs, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.